For this week's Learning Tech Tip, I'm going to show you how to poll your students using the Polls app in Teams. And there's a few different ways you can do this. If you have created a class team in Canvas for your course, you can just go ahead and start a post in the team, and then you'll see this little button down here for actions and apps. And when you click that, you will notice that polls is one of the features you can add here, and you can just use that to poll your students, whether you're in a face-to-face or fully online class. But to show you the full functionality of the polls, I'm gonna hop into a meeting. So if you're in a Teams meeting and you wanna start a poll, all you have to do is look for the apps button up here with that same plus sign, and here's where you'll look for polls. You're gonna click that, and it is going to add it to your meeting controls up here. And here's where you can initiate a new poll. This is not complex. It's very intuitive. I would encourage you anytime to just hop into your Teams calendar, go ahead and click Meet Now, and then Start Meeting. You can jump into a meeting all by yourself to practice using this feature instead of trying that first time when you're in front of your students. But when you're ready to start a new poll, you're just going to click New Poll. And it gives you a variety of choices for the different kinds of questions that you could ask. So let's go ahead and try a word cloud, and we'll just ask a very simple question. And then I'm going to click Launch Now. And I am logged into this meeting as a student in my browser. And so this is what it looks like from the student perspective. On prompt, how am I feeling today? I'm just going to go ahead and answer and submit. And you can see it starts to build that word cloud for me. Going back to the meeting where I'm the teacher, here's my view of the poll as results start coming in. I have a few options down here, such as closing the poll. And the thing that I love about this is that these results are going to stick in your chat. So what I mean by that is, let's say you're using this for formative assessment. You ask a multiple choice question, or a quiz question, or a rating question. You can always revisit the answers, how your students answered these questions here in the app. So next week, as you're preparing for class, you can always come back here and review the results of your polls before you start class to see if there's anything you want to revisit based on that formative assessment. As always, if you have any questions about using this or any features of our instructional technology platforms here at UNCG, you can reach out to your school's academic technology specialist or 6Tech.